It's slowing again. It's lurching. Yeah. Oh, it just locked. Yeah, it's locking. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Tire just locked. So the belt gave up. Belt gave up. I'm using my bag as a grab handle. Oh, no, he fell. Ah. Cannonball! Ay, ay, ay. Welcome to Cannonball. Oh, no, you down too. I'm causing a chain reaction. My bike goes down, and then this one takes a nap, and then his takes a nap. Why did the Quasi cross the road? To reach the PCX on the other side. Something's wrong with my bike. I just pulled off. It's cutting out. This isn't good, and I'm in the Mojave Desert, man. Yeah, it just died. Something is... Oh, shit, this is soft. It is not running right. I'm having problems. It was cutting out. It just kind of... And it's like it's running out of fuel, but it's not running out of fuel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my fuel tank and see if it's some kind of vapor lock. Because this ain't good, man. Okay, so I don't have a hard shoulder. What am I going to do here? What am I going to do? I'll just leave it like this, see what I get. It's cutting out, like it's running out of fuel, but it's got plenty of fuel. I don't know if it's CVT or whatever, but it just died. I'm going to pop my tank, see if it's vapor lock. Yeah. So, I'll be all right. All right. Thanks, man. I've got some oil rags. I'm going to make sure something crazy, like I'm not out of oil. I doubt that's the problem. It felt more fuel or driveline, but the engine stalled out and died. So hopefully I'm not shredding a belt in there. If I am, I got problems. Oh, yeah, it's got oil. She ain't dry. Okay, tank. Let's pull this off real quick. Okay, open it up, vent it. I know I've got fuel. Make sure it's not overheating. I can check my antifreeze. Yeah, coolant bottle's good. Coolant bottle still got plenty in it. So I'm not running low on antifreeze, not running low on oil. As far as a stuttering, stalling out motor, belt is the next potential, and that's a bad diagnosis for me right now. I could pull it apart. I can't hold my variator still. I do have the belt, but I don't have a variator holder, I think is my missing tool. Never did add to my kit. So, I might be screwed. Try to get it rolling out of this deep sand here. But I almost dumped it in twice. Okay, see what we got. Does he have luck or not? It's just like it doesn't have any power, so I don't know if the belt is getting stuck or what. Yeah, Dean came back for me. That's nice. I'm going to keep moving. I got to get out of this because it will not ride in this deep of shit. But I don't want to get it up on the road that slow and then it fail on me. It smells very hot. And the engine just died again. I think I've got a bad belt. I think I'm losing a belt. It smells rubber.
Oh boy.
Hear it? Flappy, 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 and then it's killing the engine. It doesn't want to run. I think I'm getting, my belt is shredding. It's not totally dead, but it's shredding.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you want to play it?
I don't know. I think I'm going to have to call the support truck because I've got a belt and I've got a lot of the tools, but I don't have a variator holder.
I have a variator holder in my box.
Do you?
Yep.
I don't know how long we want to sit out here in the heat.
Do you want to do it here, or you want to see if there's a hard spot up ahead?
It'd be good if we have a hard shoulder. I don't know how far it's going to go before it hand grenades.
Okay.
I'm going to try to go a little bit more.
Right behind you.
You know, it's engine. It's engine. It's engine. Nope. I heard drive line. If it locks, it's gonna mess me up. Should keep my eye on him in the back. Yeah, I may have lost a belt. No, it's slowing again. It's lurching. Yeah. Oh, it just locked. Yeah, it's locking. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Tire just locked. So the belt gave up. Belt gave up. It was definitely belt. It was the belt. It was the belt. I can smell it, and it just locked the rear tire. So I smoked the belt. That shoulder is wider over there.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's going to let me roll it now is the problem.
I'll tell you what. Let me.
You get, yeah.
I'll park.
Yeah, you get over there. You get over there. Just be safe. There's a car coming. Yeah, belt smoked it. These desert temperatures and running full tilt. I was running hard and hot. I should have been just keeping it back at 65. It's rolling, so that's good. Hey, don't fall over. Man, that is soft stuff. I'm using my bag as a grab handle. Oh no, he fell. Ah, now we got to pick up 2 bikes. Hope he's all right. Ah, shit. We're having all kinds of casualties in the desert today. I got to go over there and help him now. Cannonball! Oh man, I hope he didn't break anything. Now I got to pick his bike up. I think it's going to stay. Oh, you all right?
Yeah.
Hopefully nothing broke. The wind out here is incredible, man. Yeah, I think you're all right. Everything should be good. All right, so now we got to pick this up. He stopped to help me, and it's soft over here. He went to put it down, and the wind blew it over. So yeah, we need to unstrap this. It's going to be too heavy to lift. I'm going to move your helmet so it doesn't get stepped on or broken. Ay, ay, ay. Welcome to Cannonball. Oh no, you down too. Oh my God, this desert is killing everybody. Here, I've got this. I got this. Yeah, the wind is incredible out here, man. So I'm causing a chain reaction. My bike goes down, and then this one takes a nap, and then his takes a nap. Okay, now I can get across there. Why did the Quasi cross the road? To reach the PCX on the other side. What if I can get over there? I can get over there if I can get this thing across the damn highway. Now watch, I'll drop it when it gets over here. Everybody's dropping their scoots on the California highway out here. Oh, come on. Yeah, this wind is insane. Okay, now mine is intact, minus that from this morning. Oh man, well sorry you got wrapped up in it too. Okay, so I'm gonna get a hold of it. I've got the bars, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and rear brake. I've got the rear brake on. It's not gonna roll anywhere. Yeah, there we go. I got a hold of the brake. The side stand is down. Oh, you going up? Okay. Try again. I'm off the brake. Got it? There it goes. All right. We got it. Now we can repack it.